Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. We're on what's going to be our last simple wheel swap custom for a little while. We're going to do it on this Civic, but first we'll get to that. But what I wanted to do is show you the, I'll have the link down in the description, but this Glacier toy house. This is where I got these wheels from. Go ahead and, like I said, I'll leave their link in the description. Really good price. Really good set of quality product here. This is the second set I've got from them. Here's this. I'll leave that standing right over there so it'll be in the picture the whole time. Here's the wheels, and we're going to do it on this 99 Civic Type R. Now it's going to be once again, just a simple drill out and swap. And this is the last one I'm going to do like this for a while. The next one we're going to go ahead and strip the car down. This is nothing new. Many people does it, but I'm just now getting into this customizing something beyond wheel swap. So let's go ahead. And I'm not going to do the little open it easy because we're not going to put it back in the pack. It's going to sit with the rest of ours on our desk in there. Let's tear this open. This little car looks really awesome as it is. I have several of them, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to drill these out. Once again, in case you missed any of my other videos, check out my channel. We do this makes the third or fourth one of these I've done. I can't lose track. We're going to get a drill bit. If anybody hasn't seen this, surely everybody has right now. We're going to drill, if I can get it into focus, we're going to drill this rivet just enough where it'll clear through the plastic and you can separate it, but you can snap it back together. And if you want to make it something that somebody can roll and play with, we'll use JB Weld or something to put it back together, or the screw technique, which I'm still out of from my last, it's been several videos. But let's go ahead and get these drilled out, and let me get the drill set up and we'll get back with you. And we are using the little 12-volt DeWalt. Love this drill. So what we're going to do, like I say, you get set up right in the center, just like that. Now I'm going to pause the camera, but I want to get it started. You're just going to slowly drill out the center. You'll notice the cast starting to come out. You got to drill slow. Don't go wide open. You don't want to drill through your hand, or if anything slips. Ideally, this car needs to be on a surface. So that's what I'm going to do. You see the picture. You drill both of these out. I'm going to pause the camera and go ahead and get it drilled, and I'll be right back with you. Ideally, what you want to do, try and get this in focus, is get just enough drilled out right there and right there that you can snap this thing apart like that without having to use a great lot of force. Because I like to snap mine back together. And I'm just going to take this and lay it out of the way. We're, like I said, we're not going to strip this one and paint it. The next one I do, we're going to take down, because I'd like to make it the a blue one. Of course, the only thing's a headlight tampos. I'll lose all that. But the blue that the Civics back in this model had, like the SI version, or a gray. So here we go on this. Now, y'all seen the screwdriver in the last video. You know what I'm going to do. I'm going to heat the screwdriver tip, and I'm going to bend these out of the way. Or you don't have to. You can go ahead, and they're just little old plastic. You can bend them up. But I like to heat it, fold them back out of the way, because I don't want to break them. Because that's how we're going to put the axles back in. So I'm going to pause the camera and get a lighter. Like I say, just heat the tip of this little old screwdriver up. You're going to black it. You're not going to hurt it. Because when I put it back together, what we're going to want to do is fold these little tabs right back over. Just work a screwdriver down in there, just like that. Just separate that out. You don't want to have to force this axle out, because I might use it on something else later. Pop it out just like that. Same thing over on this end. I think the screwdriver's done cooled off too much to use. Let's see. Focus. Come on, just heat it up like that and bend it up. There you go. Now, take these axles. Should maybe be, there we go, just a little bit of a click right there. Just a little bit. If you got to force them, you may have to open that on up just a little bit. I've got that in behind there. So what we're going to do is push this right down in there real good. And we're going to heat this screwdriver back up, and we're going to fold these little tabs right back over it. Let me get the screwdriver heated. Apparently this old bolt that I've got this car rested on, this chassis rested on, is proving more important, more handy. I've started to throw it in the scrap metal and recycle it, but I think I may just hang on to it. So what we're going to do, if you can see this in focus right here, let me get the, I may have to reheat the screwdriver after doing all this. is just take and press these right here down, mash them right straight back down on that axle. Yeah, I've let my screwdriver get too cool while I was talking. Let me heat it back up. Doesn't take long. All right, just mash those right back down. You see how that just melts that plastic? Now that's going to hold that down on there, and right there you go, folks. This right here, just smeared that tab back across. This one right here, I may work on that one just a little more before I pop the body on, but you get the gist of it. It's in there good and solid. It's going to have a little bit of play just like they do from the factory, so we'll snap this thing back together. All right, let's see if we can put this Civic back together. We'll just keep that because I get a feeling we'll be using it again. You should hear a little bit of a click when this goes back together. Maybe not on the front when I got it just a tad much, but this back, if I'm doing it right. Here we go. Ready? There's that. There's that. It's going to stay together all right, that one right there. I'll probably get a little bit of JB weld. I might have got just a bit much on that one put on this, but this little car, that changed the entire look of this thing. Let's scoot it out here where we can get a better look at that. Those chrome, ever how many spoke those are, that changed this whole car. Now the white wheels fit it real good, but, and here again, once again, I'll put this link in the description. A link to their site, but there you go. Simple, easy. The next one we're going to go more in depth, like I say, with paint and everything else. So, quick video. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe. Check out the rest of my channel. We do some more of this customization. We collect Hot Wheels. We've got several things going on. We are building a 68 Chevy C10. Real life, right there it sits. Still got some body work and some things we got to do to it this winter. Check out my build process on that. But for the time being, one last time, please like, share, subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, have a great day. God bless, and we shall see you on the next one.